the theme for today's cake is dogs and dogs. The birthday girl, who will be too cute, absolutely loves animals, dogs in particular. Dalmatians and sausage dogs are her favourite, I believe, and she has pet ducks, so of course one of them had to feature on there as well. Everything's handmade out of icing, including the little dog kennel, which has matching bunting, and I've got little fence detail, some little leaves, just some flowers. I absolutely love the colour on this one. Summery, spring vibes. Brighter days are on the way. Woohoo!